If you want to know how your characters can help you sell your artwork, here's a way you can do it. So here's an example. I created a character named Pinksta who has pink hair, has a bat, and will wreck you if you mess with her. She's also very quirky, and she likes ramen noodles. She's going through some poverty, and she needs to pay off the debt because there's some mysterious people looking for her. Actually, they're out to get her because she doesn't pay her debt, and they're gonna make her a slave and stuff. Some kind of weird dark slave. So she's learned something called the mysterious artist, and the mysterious artist is an artist from a different reality, and the artworks somehow are showing up in this world, and a lot of the people are looking for them. There are gangs and different types of people who are looking for these artworks because they want to make some money. They want to make some cash, some dough. And the only way Pinkster can pay off her debt as soon as possible is by finding these artworks and selling them. Where are these artworks? The artworks basically would be me putting my own art, and all the people in that world will be looking for them, and the reader would read that and say, oh, it's some pretty interesting artwork, and you want to learn more about it. You put a lot of emphasis on that artwork because everybody's looking for that because it's a way to get rich fast, and a lot of people like getting rich fast. So as the reader's reading that, there's this cool artwork, they'll eventually find out that the artwork does exist by you putting links to, I don't know, maybe your website, maybe a store that you're selling, links to those artworks. And they'll be like, oh my gosh, this artwork does exist. So they'll be doing more investigation, and that'll be really cool because you read something that was fantasy and now it's actually reality. So then they'll go look at it and they possibly might buy it. And because you have a really cool story and everybody in the world wants to get that artwork. So why not you? You have the artwork. It's very valuable, and that is kind of like a way for you to promote your artwork. So it's kind of different. That's a different way of promoting you. There's social media, there's word of mouth, and now there's writing a book about it. You don't have to be a big book, it could be a small book. So if you are interested in finding out this book that I wrote just to promote like a little artwork, you can find it in the link you can find it in the link in the description. And you can check it out. Oh, I haven't finished it. I was just doing it for fun. It's a cool idea that I thought of. And so go ahead and you can try it yourself to promote your artwork in a creative, awesome way. And keep creating, keep being awesome. Catch you later.